Good morning, guys. Sorry, the dishwasher is so loud. It's currently 9:15. I just made my hot lemon water and some celery juice. Here we go. I talked about this in yesterday's vlog, but I was feeling a little bit off. How many times do you think I've said I've been feeling a little bit off in Vlogmas? Anyways, things that make me feel better are basically just anything healthy. So my healthy habits, working out, making a good nutritious meal, things like that. So last night I made healthy bolognese, as you guys saw, which was so good actually. I don't think I said that in the vlog. It was actually very, very good and I was very impressed. And this morning, I'm starting off with my old morning routine where I would have my hot lemon water, 15 minutes later, my celery juice. I might even make a smoothie after this, who knows?
Taking the dish track, roasting him, and starting that drama. Personally, I was really hoping.
Today is the organization day. We are going to actually organize everything besides my office closet because we are getting those shelves built. So like the den, laundry room, kitchen area, my bathroom. I'm gonna feel like a new woman tonight. So a totally different human being today. I'm very excited for it. Just like organizing your whole house. Oh my gosh, guys. Like, if you haven't been keeping up with the vlogs, I'm working with Danielle from The Sorted Place. I'll have all of her information down below as well. We've gone through a whole process and journey really to get this place super organized, and she is now coming over today, and it's the final organization of, well, I guess it's not actually the final, but we're gonna start actually organizing, which I'm really excited for. Putting glow screen on. This is my, honestly, fave product of 2020. Hi, Coco. She just likes coming in places. She somehow knows, oh, that's fits. Oh, both of you. I've just been unboxing things. I ordered so much stuff that I'll link below as I go through this video, just because I got so much stuff on Amazon. Gonna brush out my brows and then call it a day. Also, I'm wearing Quincy and Candace's merch that they sent me. It's so cute and it's so comfy. I think my new twin flame set comes today too. I've been tracking it every single day. Here's the before. We're starting in, I call this the den. It's my garage, but my laundry room is off of here. And honestly, I wish we would have taken real before and afters because it was so much worse before. I mean, it's still messy, but like, this is not really because it's where we're gonna put things. Anyways, you guys will see, but we're gonna put together some cabinets and other things, and it's literally gonna be absolutely life-changing. I keep saying this, but it really will be. Fitz is just trying to help us. Oh, thank you so much for this, Fitz. Oh, thank you. Already so much better. This is the like laundry room. It's not a room, but laundry closet. I don't know. It looks so much better. I'm gonna do an entire tour once the whole house is organized and done early January, so you guys will see. But like the crates are back there, a hose. We have 2 more drawers with things that I just don't really reach for often. I actually don't even, nope. It is so, oh my god, so convenient. So nice. What's in here? So nice when I thought I was going to be a gardener. Guys, remember that? I'll get back to that later on. Not right now, but it looks so much better. Here's the before of the kitchen. It's just very not organized. Oh, I just got these. My salt and pepper grinder, so I need to get those out. But anyways, it's just a mess right now. So we're gonna have to figure all this stuff out. Well, the thing I'm most excited for though is we got, what are they called? The drawer, pull out drawer systems. So basically everything will just pull out of the drawers. It's just gonna be the best thing ever. These cookies are so cute. Merry Christmas, Fitz. Oh, he really likes it. Oh my gosh, it's an orange. It's the perfect size for her. Happy holidays. Coco. There you go. There you go. Wait, Coco. Coco. Oh, she's running off with her cookie. Oh my gosh, that was so cute. So cute. It's truly, absolutely life-changing. It's so beautiful. Also, I love how the text is and the 2 dolly mugs are up front. Ah, oh my gosh. Alright guys, this is my favorite part of my house, just period. Look at how helpful this is. I copied my mom, but like it is actually a game changer. So helpful. So the cutting boards are on the side. Then we have just like random things here that I need. This is gonna be really helpful because right here I have like my blender, toaster, the juicers under there, just the stuff that I actually do use every morning, but I just don't want it out on the counters as much. So that's helpful. Okay, so underneath my sink, it's really hard because basically you can't get any sort of organizer because of how it's built, but this looks so much better. Very exciting, everyone. I feel like I've shown you pretty much everything. Love this. Also, oh guys, I forgot. Look at my liquid IV. I have so much. This thing is huge and I just have so many options. Liquid IV is like my favorite ever. So that's very exciting. Guys, these look so good. So we installed, well, by me, I mean Danielle installed these drawer pull-out systems that we got on Amazon. So it makes it so much easier because you can see everything. I don't know about you guys, but like these get so unorganized as you saw in the last organization vlog because I can't see anything and then whatever, you know. It's also, you know, it's laziness, but you know, this is just convenience. And then also I have this, so I have all of my extras, cleaning products, just whatever, random things. And I love it. It is so awesome. Whew, guys, what a day. My house feels so much better. My dog. So I feel like a totally different person after organizing the whole house. So basically we have the office left and that's pretty much it. It feels so good. Like literally, guys, I don't know if I can explain to you enough how convenient these things are. It just really changes the game. Also, we just moved the liquid IVs up here, which I showed you guys already, but I mean, you know, it's beautiful, it really is. Where's my phone? I need a photo of the liquid IV. It's really important. You guys can use code Kenzie Elizabeth for 25% off all your liquid IV orders. Anyways, oh guys, I'm really excited because I finally got those like square wine glasses that everyone in my mother has. I know that people get them from Crate & Barrel, but I just ordered them on Amazon. I don't know, maybe that was a bad idea. I cannot believe Christmas is literally 3 days away. I got some more packages in for presents today. So I believe every present has been delivered at this point. I'm gonna drink some Recess, my other favorite drink. You guys can use code Kenzie for 15% off. Anyways, these are my faves. I know, like I'm filling it all the way up this way. Yes, it's okay. It's fine, we're fine, I'm fine. Also, look at my new beautiful Christmas card. Love it, from the gals. We've got Morgan, Victoria, Shelby, Caitlin, Casey. Casey is like the biggest OG on YouTube. Anyways, here's after my fridge. I did this, so it's just obviously not as good as Danielle's. It's pretty much always like this, but the reason that this looks so ugly is because I didn't have everything yesterday. I just have a lot of leftovers. You know, whatever, who cares? But I did get this, like actually specifically for my Recess drinks. I think I have a new package coming in today, so I can just keep them all right here. Love that. All right, guys, go follow The Sorted Place on Instagram. That's Danielle. That's who's been organizing my house. She's so sweet. She's so cute. She's just so fun. We actually have like a really good time just like hanging out as she's doing this. But anyways, if you're in the Dallas area, hire her. Okay, I think I'm gonna go to the rooftop and do some reading. I haven't done my devo today. Maybe I'll take you guys through a little bit of how I do it because I haven't in a bit. So I think that's what we're gonna do today. I'm outside with my Recess. I wish that I had a tripod or something. Maybe I can set it up like this. I'm sorry for the noise. It feels so good outside today, and normally I'm like upset that it's not freezing around Christmas. I get comments a lot and they're like, how do you go from wearing a puffer one day to like a t-shirt the next? Texas weather is like that. Like one day it will be 30 degrees, the next day it'll be 70. One time actually when I was younger, I was in middle school I wanna say, we had a snow day. we got snowed out of school. I woke up, it was freezing, the snow, again, we got snowed out of school. We made snowmen, like we did all of that stuff. And then by 3 p.m. that day, like when we would have gotten out of school, it was 70, sunny, no snow in sight. So that's just Texas weather for you. Anyways, this is actually my least favorite recess flavor. I really like the blackberry chai. I get asked all the time about devotionals, what I do. Even if you're not like a faith person, this can translate to other things, because I know there's like the Daily Stoic and a lot of those other reading books that you guys could do as like your devo, your reading time, whatever it is. Or you could try some of mine. The one that I'm almost done with is, guys, it's embarrassing because it's literally like a 40-year-old woman's devotion. But I was recommended this, and honestly, it's really good, okay? It's Joyce Meyer's Healing the Soul of a Woman. Like, does this not look like I'm 70? I know. Honestly, really good, not gonna lie. One that I'm gonna start after that is Emotionally Healthy Spirituality, which I'm really excited for because I love the actual book of this, and this is the day by day. Love that. If you guys want any more faith content ever, I have the living room, which is a faith-based Patreon. So I do like Bible studies over there. I do a lot of podcast styled episodes over there. I have a ton of videos over there on exactly how I do my devos, exactly what I use, favorite books, things like that. So if you guys are into that sort of thing, or like wanting to get into it in 2021 or whatever, I would definitely recommend trying it out. You guys can obviously like pause your membership or subscription at any point in time, so it's like not a big commitment or anything, but I would definitely check that out. I work on that a lot, honestly, and I don't feel like I share it on YouTube as much as I should, but I think you guys would like it, so check it out. Guys, look. My little brother is here, and this is Cooper. This is one of our family dogs, but he's 13 now. Oh my gosh.
Or he's about to be, I think.
Yeah, January? Yeah. Hi. Cooper Piper. Aw, you are so cute. His eyes, Cody.
I know, it's so white.
So crazy. My little brother got here. The first thing he said is he wants the Cheetos mac and cheese that he found in my pantry before even saying hello to me. So, making that. This is my first time actually using this. Wow. How nice is this? Ah, guys, it's truly incredible. All right, so I'm gonna make this Cheetos mac and cheese. I'll let you guys know how we like it. Oh, I also just took a bath and I'm really cozy now. Oh my gosh, guys. Like, it's literally bright orange. It's hot Cheetos.